5 simple tactics to deal with a gold-digging girlfriend. No man wants a relationship that thrives on how much money he has in his pockets or accounts. But sometimes, men get involved with women like that. These women only know what love is when they see you spending money on them, giving in on their every demand. If you meet such a woman, that means you have gotten for yourself a gold digger as a girlfriend. You might be in love with her, but how do you curtail her gold-digging attitude? Here are a few tactics which you can use to deal with her. Number 1. Do not let her know how much you earn. The first mistake you will make as a man with a gold digger for a girlfriend is to tell her how much you earn, because she will not stop until your earning is entirely exhausted. To some guys, it is already a principle that they never reveal to anyone what their monthly income is. But situations arise that you have to make her know how much you earn monthly or how much you have in your bank account. But for a gold digger, no matter the situation, never make the mistake of letting her know your monthly income. If worst comes to worst, tell her something less than you earn. And never make the mistake of giving her access to your ATM cards. Because for gold diggers, the lack of knowledge on how much you are worth can bring about a break in the frequency and also reduce the size of her demands. Number 2. Always complain of lack of money. To be on the safe side with a gold-digging girlfriend, make it a habit to always complain of lack of money, but be careful so that it does not get out of hand. Or else you might be creating a monster that will require a different skill sets to handle. So before you complain of a lack of cash, make sure the time is appropriate. With that skill, you might save yourself from unnecessary spending. You can make this seem more real by putting some frown on your face, that you may need to sell some of your properties or carry out some significant projects you have in mind.
Finally, a revolutionary breakthrough. The most talked about weight loss product is finally here. Find out at the description box why this keto weight loss product is going viral.
Number 3. Do not give in to her every demand. For the sake of saving your finance and fear of being wrecked financially by your girlfriend, you have to learn how to slash her orders objectively. At first, she might complain bitterly, or even cry that you're not satisfying her every wants. All you need to do is have a healthy heart, because if you let that cry weaken your heart, you are finished. Always remember that there were times when you cried your heart out, and your parents never listened to you, and they never gave you that thing you cried for. That same technique will work here correctly. Please stick to your guns. Nothing is going to happen. Eventually, she will surely come around. Number 4. Limit how much time you spend with her. This method only has a significant effect if she is not a live-in girlfriend. And even with a girlfriend that is not living with you, you have to be very careful in using this technique. The carefulness comes in the kind of excuses you will give her why you cannot be with her on certain days and times. When you are not there with her, it reduces the opportunity for her to ask for anything, especially money. And even if she calls to demand cash on the phone, it is easier to reject such demands on the phone than face to face. And number 5, put her on a monthly allowance. This is one great way to deal with a gold-digging girlfriend. No matter your monthly income, putting her on a monthly budget is a great way to make her mindful of how she spends money. It would also be easy for you to reject giving her money if she demands any after receiving her monthly allowance. If she claims that it is exhausted, you can easily tag her as irresponsible. And trust me, women do not like being called unreliable. When this happens for a few occasions, she will work hard to avoid such situations again.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.